Hey guys, so I am at my other grandparents' house today and figured I'd show you guys their GE top loading set. Looks like there's some towels in there right now, but as you see, it's the typical impeller version. I know some people aren't fans of that, but it is what it is. On the washer, it looks like they have the sound off, and I don't want to mess with that. The dryer, the sound's on, so you'll get to hear it there, but it turns on when you open the lid, so that's interesting. I guess I'll start with normal, see what that is. So that's 38 minutes on default. Can you change the temp? Okay, so we can do every temp. Colors is its own temp, interesting. There's only 4 soil levels, bumps up in increments of 4. Oh, except for going from normal to heavy, that bumps up by 16 minutes, that's crazy. And spin, does this increase the... So it looks like you can't adjust the spin speed, but you can adjust the amount of spin that it does. Interesting. We can add an extra rinse, which adds 71 minus 55. Let me do my math here. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. 16 minutes, I think it is. Let's see, can you hold, how long can you delay for? You can delay for up to a day, and you can even go to 0 hours. That's interesting. We'll go back to 0 because we don't really need to delay wash right now. Oh. Deep fill's not an option. Warm rinse is an option though. That's something I appreciate. Good warm rinse. Auto soak. You can add 15 minutes of soak to it. 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours, 0. We do deep rinse. Deep rinse is an option, nice. We can do warm deep rinse and that decreases the time. But normal warm rinse doesn't decrease the time. Can we do stain guide? We can. And we can, so blood recommends cold, interesting. Tomato is its own stain, that's interesting. And for the stains, it just adds an extra 20 minutes. Casuals, all wash options are available. Warm rinse, deep rinse, all soil levels, all spins, extra rinse is available. Deep fill is not available. Looks like the stains are just 20 minutes again. Can we do the stains on this? We can. Looks like stains always just add 20 minutes to each. No, oh, we can deep fill on delicates. Can do warm rinse, we can do deep rinse, can do extra rinse, we can equip all the options here. And then auto soak is probably the same thing anyway. You could do hot, that's interesting. So it looks like all the spin options and looks like basically everything is available on every cycle, except for like deep fill is not available on some cycles, so that's interesting. Cold wash, okay, yeah, this one limits you. It doesn't even let you do cool, that's interesting. You can do extra rinse, can't do warm rinse, obviously. It allows you to do deep fill, though, that's nice. We can do deep rinse too. Oh, we can't do the stain thing on that. I'm assuming we can't do stain on that. Oh, wait, what? Interesting, they let you do stain wash on the quick wash cycle. You can even do a deep fill and a deep rinse. Oh, that adds more time. You could do warm rinse too, very nice. Nice. Drain and spin, pretty straightforward, just 10 minutes on that. That's pretty clean. Basket clean. I'm assuming you can't add any options to that. You can't change anything, no. Sanitize with Oxy. Can't change the temp. Can change the spin, but only to more and max. Can't change the soil level. Can do warm rinse. Can't do deep fill for some reason, but can do deep rinse. I don't understand why they don't allow you to do both of these at the same time. Like, if this is an option, why can't this be an option? Jeans. Looks like everything's available. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Yep, everything's available. Heavy duty, 75 minutes. That's way better than the LG. Just like time-wise. So it looks like oh, so deep rinse is available because of fabric softener. Oh, interesting. So 58-minute heavy-duty cycle. That's actually really good. It's under an hour. Bulky items, same thing. 42 minutes for that. Whites, 44. These are very respectable cycle times. Can do deep fill on that. Can do deep fill on that. Deep fill is automatically selected for that. Cannot be unselected. Can do warm rinse. Can do warm rinse. Can do warm rinse. So yeah, there's an overview of the washer. And here's the dryer. There's the sound on thing. What? That's funny. You can't choose an option, it just doesn't give you the thing. Oh, this is on air dry. Why is that even an option? Okay, so air fluff, time dry, those are all time dry. Jeans, 29 minutes, super speed, or super dry, or speed dry, that amount of time. Interesting. I wonder what that extended tumble option does. They'll look at 17 minutes. I wonder if these are default. I wonder if these are settings that they programmed in, so I'm not going to try messing with these. I probably shouldn't have messed with the washer ones either. Sanitizes 2 hours though, jeez. Towels and sheets is 18 minutes? With more dry? That's nuts. I guess we'll do this. Mixed load. I think that's the wrinkle prevent thing. That's an option. I guess we'll do that. Put this on more dry as a whopping 1 minute. I do have a load I actually want to dry though, so we're gonna start that. And this is a gas dryer. So yeah, those are the machines.